Hello, I am Nancy from CSP Holding Group. Our company is specialized in manufacturing fully automated production line for water heater, including solar water heater, electric water heater, gas water heater, and LPG cylinder. This video is the electric water heater production line project that we did in 2014 and 2015. We have been engaged in this industry for more than 30 years in more than 20 countries and regions all over the world. We have done a lot of successful projects, such as in India, Mexico, Vietnam, UAE, Kuwait, Greece, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, etc. Our company can provide a complete set of services, including product design, production process design, equipment manufacturing, installation and commissioning, spare parts and raw materials outsourcing, and assistance in production, etc. Years of experience in the industry has enabled us to have a deep understanding of the products that are popular in different markets, such as 10 to 50 liter electric water heaters in India and Southeast Asia, 50 to 150 liter electric water heaters in the Middle East, and 50 to 200 liter gas water heaters in South America, and so on. We will provide targeted, cost-effective design and solutions according to your needs and market characteristics to reduce your overall production costs. If you have plans to update your production line or to build a fully automated production line similar to the video, please feel free to contact us.